So it is a heat pump system, and what I get when I get here and I take off this panel, I find out that the wiring is done incorrectly. Just so you guys know, because a lot of people don't even know the basics of air conditioning. C stands for common. O stands for the reversing valve because it's a heat pump system. R is power. Y is cooling. So what the fuck would make you think to put O and Y together? You know what? There's a wiring diagram right here. So I want to show you guys. When you wire something, or if you're not sure, it tells you right here. And it's telling you, there's a thermostat that tells you the wiring. I mean, this is fucking basics of HVAC 101. So guys, the point of the moral of the story is read. Go to class, take some training. The answer is right here. It's right here in front of you in black and white. It's not in Chinese, it's not in Spanish, it's not in Italian, it's in English. So read the diagram. Don't be guessing. The guy told me, I don't want to put no names, but the company that was here is Sears. And listen, the way I feel about Sears is my personal opinion. I'm not going to say it. But the point being is, guys, you guys are slacking. So step up your game. You want to make the real money? Step up your training and step up your knowledge. Knowledge is power, baby.